This is a documentary on the cat. The cat sits and perches in his cave all day after a night of hunting and feasting on his prey. Wild critters in his domain, such as rats, coyotes, squirrels, and human legs. He merely goes by the name of Buddy, for he doesn't know that he's a sentient soul inside of a cat's body. As for his remains are scattered upon the boundaries of chalk and concrete. He is a though he thinks and others proclaim him to be Buddy, he often licks his own. Therefore, he deserves the name of Booger Butt.